How to download Facebook app on Android. Now, if you want to download Facebook on Android, just simply open any of the application which allows you to download app. Most common or nearly all of the devices use Play Store, so open Play Store and after that you will see this homepage. From here, tap to the search button from the bottom right corner. And after tapping in there, you will see the search bar. Hit that and search for Facebook from here and hit the search button. Then the Facebook application from Meta Platforms Inc. will appear. Simply open the Facebook app and then tap to this install button which will be in this page. And depending on your internet connection's speed, the Facebook app will successfully be downloaded in your device in no time. So this is how you can download Facebook in your device very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.